Hello everybody and welcome to another tornado siren test video. Today is April 4th, 2026 and we are back here in Clinton Township, Michigan at Pine Drive and Clinton River Road for redemption session, because the last time we were here back in March they didn't sound off the siren, and Macomb County doesn't participate in the statewide tornado siren drill, which happened in mid-March on that Wednesday at 1 p.m. So a lot of the sirens in Macomb County are due for a siren test. So we're here today. It's 12:58 p.m. and we are here to get this siren in action today, this federal signal modulator 5020B. So with that being said, we're going to get our camera angle finalized and we'll come back when the siren test starts. Here we go. It's going to be another siren test fail. We're off to a bad start for 2026, and I apologize to you guys for that. Anyways, with that being said, that will be it. Once again, another fail here in Macomb County. Well, there you guys have it. The sirens went off 10 minutes late as I was literally sitting in my car getting ready to go. Thankfully, I hadn't packed up my tripod. I heard the siren sound up and start going off for the test. So 10 minutes late on Macomb County today. I don't think I've ever had a siren test video I've ever filmed like that ever be that late before. So 10 minutes late on the siren test for today. Once again here in Clinton Township. Current time now is 1:14 p.m. for the sirens. Went off 10 minutes late. Once again, this was at Pine Drive and Clinton River Road, Clinton Township, Michigan, April 4th, 2026 siren test, and that'll be it.